everyone, in this video I am going to explain you about 4 table tricks. I think you have learned the previous tables, so don't skip the video and watch till the end and subscribe to our channel. Now, in order to remember 4 table, consider 2 M's, M for maths. So take 2 M's and now start writing 2, 4, 6, 8 and in the last 0. I think you remember this. This is we have practiced to remember table 2. And now do the same thing. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. And now from top we have to consider 0, 0. And next in the middle we have to consider 1, 1. And here in the last corner we have to consider as 2. And now here consider in the top line as 2 and now here also 2. So once again I am repeating, in this top line consider zeros and next consider here ones and in the last we have to take 2 and repeat that 2 here. Now in this we have to take 3 and in the last we have to consider 4. This is your 4 table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are 12. I am not writing the entire table. In this way you can write till 4 into 10 is equals to 40. Repeat this. Hope everyone understood. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20 and in a similar way 4 tens are 40. Thank you. In this video I am going to explain 5 table tricks. So till now we have learned 2, 3, 4 and here is our 5 table. So we have to consider 2 rows. This is your first row and this is your second row and 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have to write 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5 and 0. And now we have to repeat the pattern. So here the pattern for 5 table is we have to write 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 and 5. Hope everyone understood, but once again I am repeating. Initially we have to write 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5 and 0. Now we have to consider in the tens place as 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 and 5. Here is your 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Hope you enjoy this video. Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain you about the tricks to remember 7 table. Let's begin. So we have to consider 3 rows and 3 columns and now start writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and in the bottom row we have to consider the last column as 0. So now we have taken all ones digits place. Now let us take tens digit place. So in tens digit we have to consider 0, 1 and 2 and next in the second row we have to take 2, next 3 and then 4, 4, 5 and then 6 and in the last we have to take 7. So for your simple understanding, what the number here it is ended, we have to take in the next row. Here 4 it is entered and we have to consider that in the next row. We have to repeat this process. So initially, once again I am explaining, initially we have to take in the ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in the last, in the corner we have to take 0, and then we have to take in the top row tens place as 0, 1 and 2, and then next in the middle row we have to take 2 because here the 2 is ended, then we have to consider here, and 3 and 4. Next here 4 it is ended and we have to consider 4, 5, 6 and in the last 7. Hi everyone, in this video you are going to learn the tricks to remember 8 table. Now 8 ones are 8 twos are till I have written like this till 10. So now what we have to do is we have to write 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and repeat the same 4 once again, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Once this row is completed, start from down to top, like repeat the 2 table 0, 4, round. Now repeat the same as 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, and the same 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Once again I am explaining, listen carefully. Initially we have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and repeat this 4 once again, 4, then 5, 6, 7 and 8. From down to top we have to write as 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, and then again 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. This is your 8 table. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tricks to Remember Tables. So I am back with 9 table. Here 9 ones are 9. This is what we know. But in order to remember it in a simple manner, I am writing C. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And write from bottom to top in the same way. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is your 9 table. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are